Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Fall Guys missing files Epic Games. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, ensure the game is properly installed, which should take about 6 GB. Once installed, try launching the game. If you encounter a missing files error, right-click on Fall Guys in your library or click the 3 dots next to it, then select Manage. From there, choose Verify Files. This tool scans your game installation for any missing or corrupted files and automatically requires them if necessary, saving you from a full reinstall. Make sure your computer has enough storage space for Fall Guys and any updates, as this can sometimes cause installation issues. Check if auto updates are enabled for Fall Guys in the Manage section to keep it up to date and compatible with game servers. If verifying files and other methods fail, consider uninstalling Fall Guys and then reinstalling it to resolve persistent issues. Following these steps should help you fix missing file errors and ensure smooth gameplay on the Epic Games Store. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips. So that's basically how to fix Fall Guys missing files Epic Games. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.